Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Sinosend, a tool that claims to transfer requests and track large file transfers across global storage regions built for global trade. Um, the difference between the tiers will be uh, the number of gigabytes that you can send and receive. If you buy more, you will have more limits of gigabytes. Uh, Also, the number of transfer and requests per month, lifetime storage as well, email transfers, everything changed. So, and you need tier 3 to get the custom domain. So, I'm gonna say that the three codes here is the best deal. It's a deal that will be um, feasible for most of the public. And let's take a look at the tool. The tool is pretty simple to use. You can see here my limits. I got the tier 3. I just set up my custom domain. Uh, and here you can select your team members, customize your portal, disable the branding. You can check your plan and billing here. And you have the option to send or to request. So how does it work? Pretty much like that. You go here, click on transfer, send the email. You can add a voice memo if you want, send a message, please download it, add the file, just edit the file and click on transfer. And it's done. Then you send the email. You can see when it's seen. You can also share the link using the share the file using the link. You can see here the post as well. Here's the file. Shows like that. You can click here to download it, and it's done. It's pretty simple to use. If you want to request, just do the same thing. Click on request file, what you are requesting, and use a link to request the file or an email and add the recipient. So it works like that. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.